Now this is part 2 for finding the rectangle of area. Now in this one, topic number 3, use the distributive property to determine area. Determine means find area. Now as you can see here, a question is given. This is 18, length is 18 and width is 4. Now what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length times width, right? Now length is 18 and width is 4. Now I'm sure many of you cannot solve this. 18 times 4 is very difficult. Okay, so what do? We break this number. We break the big number. How do we break it? We break it as 10 and 8. 10 plus 8, 18, right? 10 plus 8 is 18. So I will write here 10 plus 8 is 18. Use these brackets times 4. Now what we do? We multiply 4 times 10. 4 times 10, let me write here, or 10 times 4. Now this plus 8 times 4. So we multiply 4 with 8 and we multiply 4 with 10. So now it's easy. 10 times 4, 40, or 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 8, 32. Now you just add this. 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 3, 7. So your answer is 72. Now unit is feet, so don't forget to write the unit. 72 square feet. That is your answer. Now let's try some questions and let's see if you can find the answers by yourself. Okay, now here, how can you decompose to find the area of rectangle? Now this side is 4, this is width, and this is length is 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, so we don't need to know the complete length, we just need the decomposed one. Now 4 times 5, 4 times 5, and this 4 times 3, that's what we do. 4 times 5 plus 4 times 3. Now you just put it here. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 4 times 3 is 12, and you can substitute. 8 is 5 plus 3. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 20 plus 12 is 32. Next question. Again, it's a decomposed figure. It's given. So 6 times 5 plus 6 times 10. Right here, 6 times 5, 6 times 10. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 10, 60. 30 plus 60, 90. Don't forget to write the unit. Now here you have 13. So how you will decompose 13? Think about it. How you can decompose? So 10 plus 3. Now you can write this 8 times 10 plus 8 times 3. Solve this, you will get your answer. Here you have 14. How you will decompose? So 14 you can decompose 10 plus 4. So 8 times 10, 8 times 4. 8 times 10, 80 plus 8 times 4, 32, and that's your answer. Now try this question by yourself. Again you have to decompose the figure. So let me help you decomposing it. 15 you can decompose as 10 plus 5. Okay, so find, you can just select the option which one is correct, check yourself. Now let's continue with topic number 4, solve area problems. Now in this one you will have a complex figure, okay, and you have to decompose. Decompose means break. Decompose means break the figure in a small one. 1 second. Okay, let's continue. So now what do we do here? We decompose this. So let's break this figure like this. So how many rectangle we have? We can see 3 rectangle. You can color them differently so you can see them. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Now first of all you need to find the length and width. So for this, how much is this side? Don't tell me 5, because 5 is for all, okay? 5 is for all, not this one. Now this side is, let me use a different color. This side is 3 and total is 5. So let's say this is 5 and this one is 3. So this will be how much? 5 minus 3, 2, right? So this side is 2 and this is given 5 already here. Now for this rectangle, this side is 2 and this side is 3. So 2 times 3. For this one, this 2 and 5. So 2 times 5. And for this one, this side is 3 and this is 1. So 3 times 1 or 1 times 3. This is how you will solve. We have done so many questions to find the area of robot and other questions, so you might remember now. Now what you have to do, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 5 10. Just add them together, 3 plus 10 plus 6, and you will get your answer. Okay, let's try some questions so you will get more understanding. Okay, let me just make it a little big. Okay, now question number 1. How can you solve the problem? So always look at the numbers. Marisa is making a banner that is 15 feet long. So what is the length? Length is 15 feet. So I will write, let me just write it down. Length, I will write it as L, and width I will write as W, and area I will write as A. Okay, now 15 feet long, so that's your length, 4 feet wide, that's your width. Now area is length times width, 15 times 4. And if you cannot solve 15 times 4, then you have to break this number. How you will break this number? 15 is 10 plus 5. Now you can do 4 times 10 or 10 times 4 plus 4 times 5 or 5 times 4. Okay, just add them together as shown here and you will get your answer. Let's move on to the next question. Now in this question, some students are making a rectangular poster for a school. A rectangular poster, it is given. Their poster is 7 feet long. These are the keywords. Okay, so long yani length. Okay, 3 feet wide, and that's your width. The teacher wants them to increase the length of the poster to 10 feet. Okay, how will the new length change the size of the poster? So first of all you have to find the area. Okay, now 7 times 3, area 1, 21, area 2, it has increased to 10, right? So 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 is 10. Now area 2 is how much? 3 times 3. This is 7 times 3 and this is 3 times 3. Let me use a different color. 7 times 3 and 3 times 3. Increase to 10, right? So 7 times 3 21 plus 3 times 3 9. So the total length increased by how much? 9 square feet, because total is 30 now, right? And area 1 is 21. So 30 minus 21 will also give you 9. Okay, now you can try these questions by yourself. All the answers are given, okay, for rectangles. That's how you will try the complex figures and other ones. So that's it for rectangle. In the next video we will talk about fractions and other parts of this revision video.